Indoor trees not only add natural beauty to your home but also allow you to enjoy fresh, homegrown fruits year-round. From zesty lemons to sweet figs, many fruit trees can flourish indoors with the proper care. Number 1. Meer Lemon. Meer lemons, a hybrid of a mandarin orange and a lemon, have a round shape, smooth, thin skin, and a sweeter taste. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons support immune function and overall health. The Meer lemon is a popular indoor fruit tree known for its compact size and delicious, sweet fruit. It takes a few years to bear fruit as a self-pollinating tree and requires around 6 hours of full sun daily. These trees thrive in well-drained soil that's kept slightly moist. Number 2. Fig. Growing a fig tree indoors can be rewarding as it produces sweet and juicy fruits that are great for your health. Varieties like the brown turkey fig are well suited for indoor growth. They need exposure to cooler temperatures to trigger fruiting. Use loamy soil and provide ample space for root development. Choose the pot size based on the size of the tree you want, and remember to prune regularly to maintain its shape. Keep your fig tree away from drafty areas and ensure it gets 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily for the best results. Number 3. Avocado. Avocado trees produce rich, buttery fruits packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, supporting heart health and overall well-being. However, growing them indoors can be challenging. Starting with live plants is more effective than growing from seeds, as avocados require a lot of sun, space, and well-draining soil. They need bright sunlight for 6 to 8 hours daily, regular pruning, and consistent watering. While they may not always produce fruit indoors, they are still a beautiful addition to your home. Number 4. Olive tree. Olive trees make excellent indoor plants. The Arbequina variety is well suited for containers. These trees thrive in well-draining soil and need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. To produce fruit, olive trees require 2 months of cooler temperatures, which can be achieved by moving them to a garage or shed during the fall or winter. Despite their needs, olive trees are relatively easy to care for indoors and can produce up to 20 pounds of olives. Water them when the top inch of soil dries out for best results, and keep them away from drafty areas. Number 5. Apricot tree. Apricot trees, especially the Moorpark variety, are perfect for indoor gardening due to their size, which reaches 6 feet tall. Fresh apricots taste much better than the dried variety and can be used in jams or desserts. Grow your apricot tree in a snug container with well-draining soil. Place it near a south-facing window to ensure it gets 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Regular watering is crucial, but make sure the soil doesn't dry out completely between watering. Prune regularly to keep the tree small and compact. Number 6. Dwarf Lime. Dwarf lime trees, such as key lime and kaffir lime, are compact citrus trees perfect for indoor growing. They provide both ornamental value and the opportunity to harvest fresh limes. These trees require at least 8 hours of bright direct sunlight daily. They thrive in well-draining potting soil with regular watering, maintaining a constant moisture level. While key limes are small with thin skin and require hand pollination, Kaffir limes are known for their fragrant juice and rind used in culinary dishes. Both varieties need warm temperatures and can be placed outside during summer for optimal growth. Number 7. Peach tree. Growing peaches indoors might seem challenging, but it's possible with the right approach. Look for self-pollinating dwarf varieties like Reliance or Red Haven peaches, which can still grow 6 to 10 feet tall. These trees need exposure to colder temperatures to trigger fruit production and require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Plant them in large pots with well-draining, loamy soil, and ensure the roots are snug but not too tight. Regular watering, occasional pruning, and consistent fertilization are essential. A popular indoor variety is Golden Glory, which thrives indoors or on a patio. Number 8. Dwarf banana tree. Dwarf banana trees, such as the Cavendish and ladyfinger varieties, are popular houseplants known for their majestic green leaves. While not all indoor banana trees bear fruit, some can produce delicious bananas within 3 to 5 years of planting. These trees need 6 to 8 hours of daily sunlight and thrive in loamy, well-draining soil. Maintain temperatures between 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and 65–79 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Prune them to prevent them from growing too tall. Place the tree in a large tub and mist regularly for optimal growth to mimic the needed humidity. Number 9. Mulberry tree. Dwarf mulberry trees, such as the Everbearing and Isaiah varieties, are excellent for indoor cultivation. These trees thrive in well-draining potting soil and require 6 to 8 hours of bright light daily to produce fruit. Mulberry bushes grow quickly, so regular pruning is necessary to keep them compact. Fertilize them every 6 months to ensure healthy growth. Dwarf mulberry trees, reaching up to 6 feet, are ideal for those with limited space, or to those living in cooler climates. Consistent watering and nutrient supply are crucial to maintain their health and enjoy their sweet, purple-black berries. Number 10. Orange tree. Calamandan orange trees are among the easiest fruit trees to grow indoors. These trees produce tangy fruit, a cross between a kumquat and a mandarin orange, with super sweet thin skins. They're perfect for cooking and add citrus flavor to dishes. Calamandan orange trees need full sunlight and should be a self-pollinating variety to ensure fruit production. They're an excellent choice for anyone looking to grow citrus indoors. Number 11. Passion fruit tree. Passion fruit grows on a vine but can be easily cultivated indoors, much like a fruit tree. It requires well-draining soil and at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. A key difference is that passion fruit needs a trellis to climb. Besides producing delicious fruits, passion fruit vines also display lovely flowers. Choose a bonsai variety, such as maple green, for indoor growth, and enjoy the dual benefits of tasty fruits and beautiful blooms that provide you with gorgeous flowers. Number 12. Nectarines. Though similar to peaches, nectarines have their specific growing requirements. They need a lot of sunlight and moist, well-draining soil. Ensure the soil doesn't dry out between waterings. Nectarines thrive in large pots with loamy soil, and it's essential to match the container size to the tree. A slightly snug pot encourages fruiting while allowing for growth. Proper care ensures indoor nectarine trees can produce delicious fruit and enhance your garden.